When I was a kid, I mean, I've wanted to be a lot of things, but I've always had a passion for kind of like science, maths, that kind of thing. And then year 12, I found out about apprenticeships. So I applied to JLR, here I am now. For me, everyone I'd spoken to said the same thing. It's that when you come out of university, you're still gonna have to learn all of the business skills, even soft skills like communication, setting up meetings, all that kind of stuff. You don't learn from normal university. Everything I study is relevant to my day job, and any day job I was to do in the engineering industry. It's extremely relevant, extremely focused on kind of the future of engineering. I look back now, because I keep a log of everything I've done every single day since I started, and I look at the position I was in there and what I knew about cars, what I didn't know, more importantly, about cars, about JLR systems, about just work life in general. But I've seen a massive change in like the way I am, the things I've learned. I've grown a lot through this process. I've received a lot of support. I mean, when we first come in, we've got early careers to support us. Then after that, I've had my manager. He's been behind me on absolutely everything, so I'm really grateful for that. He tailors our journey, and now he's kind of getting to a stage where he's letting us go on our own paths and pick what we want to do. I contact people who I have nothing to do with out of the blue with just random questions, and they don't need to give me their time, but they do. They're happy to see he's an apprentice. Let's teach him something new, let's help him out, and hopefully I can contribute back to them someday. That responsibility is something that I really enjoy, having the ability to kind of work on real projects, do real pieces of work, and be fully in control of it, and then see the outcome at the end of it and people appreciating that. Well, next year, so from now, I'm going to be doing different placements, just learn as much as I can, produce as much work as I can, and just get the most out of it. I'm just the kind of person, I take every day as it comes. I'm not the kind of person that can tell you in 5 years, in 10 years, I'll be doing this, I'd like to be doing this. So for me, I'm just looking forward to where it goes next. As I go through this journey, I'll make sure I take every day, give it 100%, give it my best, and hopefully the best will come out to me.